Hello guys, how you guys doing? It's your boy Good Life, or you can call me David B. Guys, is a mad thing going on, guys. You know that I'm always here to give you guys the best of the best analysis, the best of the best setup, guys. We're moving mad, guys. This is a major thing that is going on right now in the market. Like, remember guys, during my first videos that I posted for this year, I told you the guys that this year will provide us a lot of trading opportunities. And guys, right now I am here to break down NAS100 for you guys. I see a possible very nice juicy trade about to form on NAS100, guys. And if you guys are with me, you guys will also profit from NAS100, guys. Now, before I dive into the analysis for today, which has to do with NAS100, guys, let me take you through the US30 trade that I did an analysis on, guys. And I told you guys to buy US30, guys. If you are not with me, then what are you doing? I told you guys to buy US30. You heard it here on Good Life TV. You heard it here first. I told you guys, you heard it here first. I gave you guys the simple breakdown and a straightforward analysis, guys. I don't use indicators, I don't use bots, but I don't use robots, but we get price as clinical as possible, guys. I do this thing as clinical as possible, guys. So now I'm going to be showing you guys the US30 trade that we took, the gold trade that we took. And now also, guys, yesterday I also took a trade that I will show you guys today, but I'm going to drop the analysis of that trade maybe later on, but not today, because today has to do with NAS100, guys. So now let's dive into my screen, guys. So now here in front of me is NAS100, but guys, remember I said that we won't be diving. I said that before we work on NAS100, I'll be showing you guys how the other trades are doing. So now let's go to US30, guys. Remember, guys, I posted a trade signal on US30 and I told you guys to buy. I told you guys to buy, and I'm not going to do a breakdown on this trade anymore because I already did the breakdown. And if you were following, you should have seen reasons. I gave you guys reasons why I am looking at buying US30, guys. And if you guys didn't take that trade or didn't take this trade, I am sorry, but you missed out on everything that happened right here. And guys, you can bet me straightforward that I posted this trade, I did an analysis on it, and I posted this trade, and I told you guys to join me on US30. And guys, this is US30. Like sniper entry, it didn't even come to our loss, enter our stop loss, guys. It was boom to the upside. And guys, this trade hit take profit. Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? One of the fastest trades ever. I hit take profit like day before yesterday, guys. So now that is it on US30. So we won US30, and now let's dive into gold that I posted a trade signal on gold. Right now we are, guys, like what are you looking for? Like, I give you guys the best of the best analysis, guys. I did a breakdown on gold, guys, and you check my previous videos, you will see that I did a breakdown on gold telling you guys to buy because of what I saw, and which I won't be explaining further in this video because there's a video for that. You have to go to my channel and then check for the breakdown of gold trade, guys. You check for the breakdown of gold trade, and right now we are break even on gold, and we are break even on gold already, and gold is already more than half in profit. So guys, I'm telling you that this year is going to be a profitable year if only you stick around to Good Life TV. And everything I do here, I do it for free, guys. I'll always come online here and post the video first before I take the trade, so that you guys should know that I'm always on date with, or up to date with you guys, right? I'm always up to date with you guys. So this is 2026, and I don't want you guys to miss out on any opportunity. And guys, right now we have taken 2 trades for the year, and those trades are going mad. Sorry, like we have taken 3 trades for the year, and those trades are going crazily well. We have already won 1 trade, and 2 already are floating in profits, and we are break even on those trades, guys. We are break even on those trades, guys. So guys, What is going on, guys? Tune in, subscribe to my channel, because I'll be giving you guys juicy content. So now right in front of me is gold, and guys, I already did analysis on this. If you want to check out the analysis how I took this trade and knew that price was going to buy, you go to my channel and you look for the gold breakdown setup that I posted, guys. So now the next trade that I took is S&P 500. That's the next trade I took yesterday. The trade I took yesterday, guys, as clinical as it could be, guys. I'm already break even on this trade, guys. And I haven't dropped any analysis on this trade. Why? Because I saw while I was looking at the chart, I just saw the trade and I was so interested in the trade, and it gave me like a lot of, like, 3 good confirmations, and yes, I said yes, this is a trade for me. Number one, this black zone you can see here is our FIB level, our Fibonacci retracement level, our 50% and 60% level. So price came and rejected there and then broke above our structure, which you can see, and also broke above the counter trend line, which you can see here. And yes, I took the trade. And we go to the daily time frame. Price on the daily time frame created what they call a morning star, guys. Price created what they call a morning star. So price is going to shoot to the upside on S&P 500, guys. Price is going to shoot to the upside on S&P 500, and I am very happy to tell you guys that I am buying S&P 500. I'm already buying S&P 500 because you can see right now it's already in my profit, so I'm buying it already. So now, as we are floating in profit on gold, we are still floating in profit on S&P 500, but we have closed US 30, and US 30 hit our take profit. So now let's dive into the deed for the day, which is NAS100, guys. If you didn't take US 30, if you did not take gold, and you didn't, and I'm sorry that I didn't post the trade on S&P 500, but if you don't take NAS, I'm going to report all of you. So now let's dive into my screen. What do I really see on NAS100? If someone may ask, what do you really see on NAS100 that wants to make you take NAS100 trade? And I'll explain it very well. I'll explain it very well. So now, remember, guys, I always tell you guys that as a swing trader, the first thing you have to do is you have to check the overall time frame. That's monthly time frame. The overall direction of price, which we use the monthly time frame to check the overall direction of price. I guess I've done an analysis on this already. You have to check the overall direction of price. So now we come to the weekly time frame, and then we see if we can mark the weekly highs and the weekly lows. Let me kindly clear everything on my screen right now so that I'll give you guys the breakdown very well. So now you can clearly see that on the weekly time frame, I come to the weekly time frame. What to do? What basically to mark the weekly highs and the weekly lows, guys. The weekly highs, the current weekly highs, and the current weekly lows. So now we can see that this is the weekly highs of our price, the weekly low of our price, and this is the weekly high of our price. So now we don't just stop there. We're going to now go into the daily time frame. What I'm doing is called top-down analysis from the monthly time frame to the smaller time frame, which I told you, if you follow me for the longest, I told you that on the monthly time frame, we use the monthly time frame for what? We use it for the overall direction of price. Then we use the weekly time frame to mark the weekly highs and the weekly lows. If it's in a downtrend, we do the same thing. If it's in an uptrend, we do the same thing. So now price right now is in an uptrend, so we mark the weekly highs and the weekly lows, right? So now we now go to the daily time frame and see if we can adjust. Okay, we are adjusting it. Okay, yeah, we're adjusting it, and I'm adjusting it here too. Now there's something really eye-catching on NAS. Like, there's something really eye-catching on NAS. Why? Let me bring to your notice that right now price is forming a very nice structure on NAS that once it breaks out is going to give you guys a lot of money. So now, and I want you guys to hop on this one, guys. Please, if you didn't take the remaining trades, guys, you need to take this one, guys. So now we are inside of the weekly highs on the daily time frame, and now because price is in an uptrend, and we can see that price did not reverse on the weekly time frame, because price have not broken the weekly low, so that the structure will change, so it will change from an uptrend to a downtrend, but price is still in between the weekly highs and the weekly low. If it breaks above, price is still bullish, but if it breaks below, price then is bearish. So now, because price is in between, we are still bullish. We are still bullish minded. So now, what do I see that I want to bring to your notice on NAS100, guys? If you may ask me, I'll say I'm seeing something like a symmetric triangle. If you are used to chart patterns, you should know what a symmetric triangle looks like. A symmetric triangle. It can be a symmetric triangle occurs in two ways. It can either be for a continuational pattern or can be for a reversal pattern. But I think this is for a continuational pattern. Yes, I think that the one that's happening right here on US30 is for a on NAS100 is for a continuational pattern. And guys, now since we have marked our symmetric triangle, we have like identified our symmetric triangle, what do we do next, guys? We mark our key levels that if price is going to break above or below, we are going to buy or sell. Now let's mark that level. Now guys, this is looking for a down. If price breaks below here, this structure here, this level, we are interested in a sell. What is going on? Why is my mouse shaking? We're interested in the sell. And if price, let me clone this. And if price will break above here, if price, give me a second. Yeah, I'm done with that now. Okay. Now, if price will break above this level, we are interested in a buy. Why I'm bringing this to your notice, because if you check clearly, if you go to the 4 hours time frame, you can clearly see that price has broken above our counter trend line. But what happened is that price has not broken above our structure, guys. So now we have gotten a first confirmation, which is around there. So now we're waiting for the next confirmation, which is a candle close above this level. A candle close above a 4 hours candle close above that level for us to enter a buy. And then if price actually does that, then guys, I'm also going to come back to notify you guys that yes, NAS is ready for a buy. So now it's in this a symmetric triangle is like a particular spot where what they call indecision occurs. Now let me explain a symmetric triangle for you guys. A symmetric triangle is like a particular level at price in which there is indecision, whereby buyers are trying to take the market higher and sellers are trying to bring the market lower. Now let me explain this. Now if you take a look inside of a symmetric triangle, you have what they call price created what they call a higher high. Price now created a higher low. Instead of price create a higher high, what the price create? Price create a lower high, created a lower high. Instead of now price to create a lower low, price created what they call a higher low. Instead of price to now create a higher high, price now created what they call a lower high, and then created a higher low, and then still created what they call a lower high. So now it is a level of indecision, and at this particular point you are not supposed to be trading. You are supposed to wait for the breakout either to the upside or to the downside. So now let me also mark for the downside in case price decides to break down. But I'm pretty sure I'm 90% sure that price is going to break to the upside. I'm 90% sure that price is going to be made to break to the upside on NAS100. So now this is it for NAS100, guys. So now I want you to bring to your notice that, guys, get ready, because NAS100 is going to be buying soon, because the symmetric triangle is getting to what they call an exhaustion. If I chew my tongue, exhaustion. Is it exhaustion, or getting to what they call the symmetric triangle is getting tired? Let me say it's like is worn out. You understand? Let me just put it that way. Like the symmetric triangle is getting to an end, a close. Why? Because you can see the massive pressure or momentum that came in from this angle. You can see how the distance between here and here, and the distance between here and here, you can see that as it's going, it is reducing. That's to tell you that the momentum inside of this symmetric triangle is getting to an end. So now you have to prepare, fund your account, and make sure that you are ready for either a buy or a sell. So now it's your boy Good Life, and guys, don't forget to don't forget that if you are a swing trader, if you are a scalper, if you are a day trader, or whatsoever you are, an amateur trader, a pro trader, you are in between, just know that when you tune into Good Life channel, that you must learn at least something, guys. We just know that on this channel we keep everything simple. If we don't keep it simple, we won't be making this much profit, guys. I've showed you, like, just the beginning of the year, we have taken like 3 trades and they are all going well. And it's just basically price action. We flow with the market. We don't go against the market. We flow with the market. So right now, it's your boy Good Life, and we have come to the end of our analysis on NAS100. And guys, you should know that I am more than 50% on a bullish side on NAS100, guys. And guys, don't forget that price was we caught a very, very juicy price on US 30, guys. I posted this signal. I called out this signal on my channel, guys. So if you are not following, guys, make sure you follow, because guys, there'll be a lot of juicy content coming in. And guys, right now we are running S&P 500, and we are also running gold, guys. We are running S&P 500 and we are also running gold, guys. Guys, don't forget that whatever you do, make sure you trade responsibly, guys. And then I have good news for you guys, that we are going to be upgrading. I have good news, and also do well to watch my videos. And guys, as you watch the video, please, I beg of you, subscribe to the channel. It keeps the channel growing. And also do well to give this video a thumbs up, and then click on the bell notification icon, that anytime I drop a video, it's going to alert you, so that you won't miss my trades again. Because I know that after watching this, I know that you regret why you didn't take the trade, so that you won't miss my trades again, guys. So now, it's your boy Good Life. Do well to enjoy yourself and keep learning.